everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm showing you an acrylic design set. So I've done all my natural nail prep work, applied my CJP tips and primer, and I'm just applying my clear base using my big boy brush. In this video you'll see I don't do the thumb. My client had sliced her finger with a knife right near the nail, so I didn't want to touch that. I said I wanted to let it heal before I did anything with that nail. So on this nail, I'm applying CJP Ultraviolet, Bright Violet, at the cuticle area. Getting it nice and flush in that cuticle area and then blending it up towards the tip. Just apply a little bit more in the middle and just blend that up as well and back into your first bead. Keeping that application nice and smooth. And then I'm applying ultraviolet at the tip and then fading that back into the bright violet. These are the design powders, so you need to work quite wet with them and they will work better for you. It's just so highly pigmented. And then once I'm happy with that blend, I'll cap the whole nail in crystal glass. Just making sure I always keep a check on my apex to make sure it's in the right place. So this nail is a glitter line nail. I've done this loads recently and I've had loads of people asking me how I've done it. So I just pick up a small bead of crystal glass and dip into this purple glitter, which is a really, really old one. I've got no idea where it's from. And I apply that in the centre of the nail, just tidying up those edges so it's a nice line up the centre. Keeping it neat as you go and make sure there's no glitter all over the nail. And I'll come in with CJP Silver Holo Powder, which is an amazing glitter acrylic that's pre-mixed. And I just do the same and blending the two together. You can keep adding little bits of each colour so you get a nice blend in the middle. Let that nail set and move on to this nail, which is a marble nail. So I'm using coconut milk, ultraviolet, bright violet and birthday suit. Getting my brush to a nice sharp point and just swirling those colours together with a really light touch and getting the point right into that them beads, and work nice and wet when you're doing this so that the colours move where you want them to and they don't drag or get stuck. And then just work your way all the way down to the cuticle area. And then obviously cap once I'm happy. So then I'll cap that glitter line, just capping that line only and making sure you've got a wall all the way up from cuticle to the tip, and then I'll come in and file to refine that line. This nail is a glitter blend, so I'm applying Ultraviolet at the cuticle and just fading that up towards the tip. Working nice and thin, making sure that product's nice and neat in the cuticle area. So then go into crystal glass, pick up a small bead and dip into the purple glitter. Just applying that at the cuticle area and blending it up towards the tip. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll apply CJP Silver Holo again. Just blending those together. Again, adding more little bits if needed to make that colour blend nice and even. And then I will cap once I'm happy with that blend. So then file the edges of that line just to make sure they're nice and crisp and I've got something to butt my colour up to. You want the wall to go from cuticle to free edge. And then I apply CJP coconut milk up to that line. And don't worry if it goes over because you will be filing at the end anyway. So onto my filing, so my usual technique, starting off refining those side walls and the free edge, making sure they're nice and straight. And then come round the first side wall, around your cuticle area, really tucking your file in and up the other side wall. And then down the barrel of the nail, making sure that all the product's even on both sides, wanting to imagine sort of imaginary line down the centre, and the product's even on both sides of that line. And also checking your apex as well to make sure that's in the right place. You've got enough strength there. And then I'll run over with my white block buffer to remove any scratches. And on this type of nail, I just do the side walls and my free edge. And then I use my e-file just to remove any bulk, just to reveal that line. It just takes your time down a little bit, saves you a bit of time. And then continue with my hand filing in the same technique. So I then apply my CJP Tack Free Top Gloss after wiping the nails with acetone to remove all the dust. I then cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and then just let it cool for a minute when it comes out before you apply your cuticle oil. And here's your finished look. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it.